Good morning, I am Princess Sales. I'm accredited competency assessors and food processing and seafood. I would like to acknowledge the presence of your TESDA representative, Ms. Radon Rosan. You do not have to worry about her presence. She is here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed. A competency assessment methodology and produced. She will not assess you. Before we proceed, may I inform you that we are being recorded and live streamed through the CCTV camera in the TESDA Camarines Provincial Office and TESDA Regional Office. I have heard you consist from, which means that including we agree to be recorded. And to the other terms, including the sharing of your CCTV footage to authorize representative indicate in this form. Also, I have here with me your application form and self-assessment guide. There are proof that you are willing and ready to undergo the assessment. Before we start, let me check first your attendance. Once I call your name, please proceed here in the front to submit your admission slip and sign the attendance. While seeing the attendance sheet, you may also check the spelling of your name and approach me if incorrect observed. May I call Miss Ryan Romay? Next, Mr. Oliveros. So let us now proceed with your orientation. Today we will be having National Certificate Assessment for Food Processing and Seafood. Assessment is the process of collecting evidence and making judgment on whether competencies has been achieved. The assessment process seeks to determine whether the graduate or worker call performance to the standard expected in the workplace based on the defined competency standard. Today, you will undergo the assessment procedure for food processing and seafood, wherein I am going to assess your skills in food processing and preservation. This qualification has three competencies: the basics, common, and core competency. The core competency will be used as basis for you to acquire COC or a certificate of competency. The core competency is divided into units of competencies such as first, process food by salting, curing, and smoking. Number two, proceed food by fermentation or pickling. Number three, process food by the sugar concentrations. Number four, process food by the drying and dehydration. Number five, process food by the thermal applications. There will be just be allotted time for each competency such as process food by salting, curing, and smoking must be prepared for 1 hour. Process food by the fermentations and picklings must be prepared for 1 hour. Process food by the dryings and concentration must be prepared for 1 hour. Process food by the sugar and dehydration must be performed for 3 hours. Process food by the thermal application must be performed for 2 hours. The assessment will be done through practical demonstration of skills and different units of competency, and will be followed by oral questionings after the finished performing all the requirements competency. We also have things that need to be considered observed by the religious. Just tell me so that I can allow you to observe whatever you are required to do by the respective religions. For example, if you need to pray at a specific time, please tell me and I will allow you. For those candidates who needs to take their medications maintenance within the durations of your assessment, just inform me and I will be allowed you to take your medication. If in case you need to use comfort room that is just in the right side of the assessment area. If in case your instructions is unclear, kindly call my attention for me to translate it into Filipino or in your own dialect. Also reminded of the do's and don'ts during the conduct of assessment. Follow the security policy of procedure, follow rules on use of facilities, take note using cell phone during assessment, and take picture is not allowed. Leaving the premises of the AC without informing the assessor or any staff is not allowed on the premises and will have been detained. Also be mindful that documents that will be collected during the conduct of assessment will be kept confidential. If in case you are not satisfied with the result of the assessment, you may write an appeal addressed to AC manager immediately after the assessment. If you notice that the process of the assessment was not allowed and there are disagreement on the process of assessment, may appeal or may not assign the rating sheet and more. With background, with color, and with name tag, give emphasis on